and welcome students in your 10th standard SSC Science 2 second lesson, that is life process part 1. In that lesson, second topic is there, that is a cell division. So in that cell division we will see about the mitosis and meiosis. So first of all, mitosis we are going to see, and the four phases of this mitosis, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Mitosis, it is firstly divided into karyokinesis and cytokinesis. So these four stages are of karyokinesis. Okay. So here to see the phases, we are going to take the onion root tip. Okay. So these onion root tips are required, and for that, since 4 days ago I have set this onion into this water, and now very well nicely roots are grown there, but we require only a tip of this root. Okay, so that they are having that meristematic tissues which can be used for the our practical. Okay, so I'm going to dip it again here, and the other things which are required here, compound microscope, then spirit lamp for just for heating purpose, slide and the cover slip over it, one needle I have taken for just moving it, then brush I have taken just to move the root tips, and then again stain is very important, and that stain is acetocarmine. Okay, so let us start our experiment. Practically we are going to try to see the phases of this mitosis in under our microscope. So for that, firstly I am going to take this onion and few of the roots which are very well, so that I am going to cut here. Okay, this one I have taken, then again this one I am going to take. Keep it back into the water, and again move it to here. So we have taken these two roots. So firstly, what we are going to do here, with the help of dropper, we are going to add one normal HCl in this petri dish, so that these roots get fixed in that, and we can see the proper. Now just light up this spirit lamp and gently take care of your fingers while you are moving it. Don't allow it to dry, so just move it over this flame, not to keep it steady, just we have to make to warm it. Okay, and while heating it, take care of your fingers, not to do it at your home without the guidance of your teachers. Okay, sufficiently warm it is there. Okay, close this and keep it aside. Now again we are going to take a little bit water into this, and sufficient quantity of water we are going to take here, and then laterwards we are going to add the stain into this, just 2 to 3 drops of stain of acetocarmine. Okay, so after 10 minutes we are going to shift this our roots cut portion with the help of this brush on the slide. This is the first one, and this is the second one. Okay, just add little bit water in it. Excess quantity of water will fall down into the petri dish, and ultimately our root tips will get washed out. Excess dye will remove. Okay, now just separate it, the two cut section of this root. This one is there and another, this one is here. Okay, now just add one drop of water and we are going to place a cover slip over this with the help of this needle and avoid any kind of air bubble while placing this needle on it. Okay, now excess of water we can remove it by using or by placing this slide into this filter paper or blotting paper. Like this, excess water get removed from it. While removing, gently press the slide so that this onion root get squashed. Okay, so you can see these onion roots are get squashed, they get spread, or if require you can gently tap it with the help of the blunt edge of this brush. Gently tap it so that cells get separated, and be careful that cover slip should not get damaged. Okay, if require, place your cover slip again proper. Pause. Okay, our cells are now get separated, scattered properly. Now we are going to shift them on our microscope. So in microscope at present I am taking this 10x objective and 45 we will take lighter. First of all 10x, adjust the light, sufficient quantity of light, and then carefully set the object here. Okay, too many air bubbles are there, but you take care that air bubble should not be there. Pause. Okay, you can see here under 10x zoom, slide cells are there, they are getting properly stained. Now we are going to shift it on higher resolution 45x objective